Mastering singular indefinite pronouns. Let's make agreement easy. Hello, learners. We're diving deep into the world of English grammar today. Our focus? The exciting realm of singular indefinite pronouns. This video will clear up your doubts about agreement between these pronouns and their antecedents. We'll walk through it step by step, so don't worry. It's going to be a fun and enlightening journey. First off, let's clear up what singular indefinite pronouns are. As the name suggests, these are pronouns that are indefinite, meaning they do not refer to a specific person, place, thing, or idea. And they are singular, which means they refer to one person or thing. Examples of these pronouns include anyone, everyone, someone, nobody, each, neither, either, and one. Why is this important? Well, in English, a pronoun must agree in number and gender with its antecedent. An antecedent is simply the word that the pronoun refers to. So, if our pronoun is singular and indefinite, the verb or other pronouns referring to it must also be singular. Seems simple enough, right? Let's put this into practice in the next section. Here are a few examples of singular indefinite pronouns in action. Everyone is responsible for their own belongings. Nobody wants to admit they were wrong. Remember, it may seem like everyone or nobody refers to more than one person, but they are indeed singular. There are times when things might get a bit confusing, like when we are dealing with conjunctions. Here's a golden rule to remember. When or, nor joins two subjects, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. For example, either the manager or the employees have to make a decision. Neither my friends nor I am willing to give up. All right, we've made it to the end of our lesson on singular indefinite pronouns. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any aspect of grammar. So don't hesitate to rewatch this video and try writing sentences of your own. Remember to keep your verbs and other pronouns in agreement with your singular indefinite pronouns. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll have this nailed down in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next grammar adventure.